where I've picked up things जो generally मुझे challenging लगते हैं. Like हक में I've never played a lawyer, so I felt that is something that made me very anxious because एक तो इतनी lines learn करना, monologues learn करना, and that in itself is so anxiety ridden. I felt that okay, if it makes me anxious, I will do that because that, you know, personal growth, creative growth only comes from that.
Absolutely. Did you have fun in the courtroom? Like doing that and then like kind of
no.
must be complicated, no?
No, actually, yeah, it was a lot of fun. And I said this in the press conference yesterday क्योंकि जो हमारे राइटर रेशु ने जिस किस्म के डायलॉग्स लिखे हैं, all the monologues, the bits in the court, even the stuff with the romance, and then जब इनके बीच जब एक अनबन घर में वो शुरू हो जाती है, the final scene, the conclusion, the last 20 minutes of this film is the fulcrum of the two opposite sides of the debate. If people are not in the know, this is one of the most profound landmark cases in the history of our country. This is the most, without getting the details of it, politicized case. After that, it just set off something else into momentum after 1985. तो ये जो दो debates थे courtroom में, one was Ahmed Khan's and one was Shah Banu's. The way it's written, it was such great lines. They took, I think, Reshu took a year to write these two monologues. After researching everything, और वो चीज़ distill करना, I think there were like 7 or 8 pages for me, and Rayami also had that. So that was explosive and was good fun.
You always enjoyed playing this this deliciously evil or wicked characters.
But without defending him, मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि he's evil.
He's great.
See, the thing is, he is a man who is coming from a staunch belief and his perception of his personal faith and his tradition. I think we have all been in a position where sometimes we so hellbent, or our belief system is so strong that we can't see the opposite side of the argument.
I agree.
And does that make us a villain or a vamp? It doesn't, because we are so wedded to our belief system. But yeah, there is that element of patriarchy. There's an element of a man who's enforcing power under the garb of tradition and righteousness. Then every man is a villain, or not every man, probably a majority of men in our country. So it's, I think, yes, you can say it's grey, but then you also, the opposition in both sides, you see that, you know, he might have a point there also. I don't want to open up the cards here, but it's a very fair argument for Ahmed, and of course a great argument for Shah Banu in the end.